Welcome people. Today I wanted to show you how to denoise a render when you work inside Modo application, because Modo can use graphics card. Okay, I have two images. That one which I have already denoised, and that one without denoising. I want to show you how you can activate the denoising feature. When you go to shading option, in camera, actually we have to choose MPath render engine, but make sure you change it. You select when you go to settings, ray tracing engine, NVIDIA optics, graphics card, GPU, shading engine, NVIDIA CUDA, or GPU, because processor is slow, but new version of engine is okay. Okay, what I was thinking, in final color output, there is option denoising. You can use Intel Open Image Denoise. Intel takes advantage of graphics card. No, or it can only use actually only processor, not graphics card. But you can still use this, or you can choose NVIDIA optics. Intel Open Image does denoising back there, but at the same time, your processor will be used. Let's check how fast this will render. Sorry people, I should zoom in camera. Wait a minute, do I use... No, it is using the graphics card at the moment. Oh, I don't see cubes. Normally I'm supposed to see cubes here. Or something is not right. Normally I should see small squares. Aha, yes, because I selected one of the options. At the moment only graphics card is being used, but also little bit of processor, because this is more accurate and your render will be clean. Okay, NVIDIA optics. You can deselect this. I would like to check something. NVIDIA optics. Wait a minute. Automatic or local? We can see squares visible. In the past, when I was rendering final project, it was way slower. It shouldn't take long. Okay, how much of the graphics card is being used, depending how many samples you applied to render, but it takes less time than the processor itself. I just wanted to show you how does this thing work. Normally you could see squares, but we rendered our final image. You can delete all the render and you can save the image. I wonder what target format is. Maybe this is not a format which has been compressed. You can see how clean render is. But I see dots. This probably is to do with shading because I showed use smoothing group. And this polygon has some errors, but I won't be talking about this because this tutorial was how to use denoise, how to use denoiser. I hope you like my video tutorial.